I'm your host Muhammad Rafi, and this is TV2. We come here to bring you some very interesting news. A heavy rainstorm and heavy wind hit Bogor City and in 14 different places. 9 places in South Bogor, 3 places in East Bogor, 1 place in North Bogor, and 1 place in Tanah. Local reports say that there weren't any casualties. However, the police are still trying to look for casualties because a lot of houses and cars have been destroyed and also ruined because of the heavy rain and heavy wind that blocks some of the area and cannot be searched by the police themselves. And so they're currently asking for the government to help in cleaning up the place. Residents scrambled to find shelter as their houses started to be destroyed by the heavy wind and heavy rainstorms. And also, the people themselves, the residents, all wish for the local Bogor government to help in rebuilding their homes, yet the local Bogor government has not said a word and gave them radio silence. That is all for today. I hope you all have a great time, and for the next news, I will still be your host. See you